In the downhole world, our products relate to technology, advanced technology. The deeper you go, the hotter it is. The more challenging it is for these materials to perform. People are coming to us for solutions. People need definitive answers on how we can make a material perform unlike it's ever performed before. We have provided solutions where others could not be found. It is a challenging environment, to say the least. We want to be the best. We have an incredible team, a staff of people that contribute on all levels. They want to succeed, and that is what makes me more proud than anything else. These people make all the difference in the world.
We have taken on challenges when this first started out. It has to be a high quality product, but done at a reasonable price. You can put the items downhole and they'll withstand the temperature and pressure, and we know that it's going to be good, every part, from the first one to the 1000th part. We still to this day haven't missed a delivery and have not suffered in any way with our quality of our product. The evidence is they're getting gas out of the ground.
We start with maybe some drawings, some sketches, some dimensions, an idea of how we want it to work. The input comes from a number of different sources, but in the end, I've got to compile it all and make it all work. When we have a finished product, we all go over it again. Then the testing phase begins. We can replicate the environment, the downhole environment here in our lab. We can apply heat, we can apply pressure, we can apply all this the same environment that they're going to find downhole, and so we know what's going to happen. In the end, we're very confident in what we do.
Determining the future of a part or how it's going to behave is a difficult thing. So you have to use the science, and that's where the statistics comes from. We have tools that we internally developed. We make a decision that determines if this product will perform in those very difficult downhole environment, which is 13 to 15 to 18,000 psi and 300 to 500 Fahrenheit, and all kinds of chemical attacks and reactions. I like the challenge. I like the risk, I like the challenge. And it's incredibly pleasuring that you know that product worked. Those nasty, difficult, hot in that environment. And we can predict that before it goes there. That's what we really do.
A lot of our tools and development that we do here revolve around our customers' products and their demands, and we build sophisticated tooling to meet those demands. I take their ideas and their engineering data and prints and turn it into a reality, a part that you can hold, touch, feel. I know the importance and the value of tight tolerance, and I strive to make that the quality of our product.
We do everything in-house. We've brought everything home, just a barrage of ammunition that we put into every composite matrix material that we assemble. Every one's unique, from the fibers to the coupling agents to the interface to the resins. Once we develop a product for you, you will get the same product time and time again. And I don't think there's anything that we haven't overcome yet, so it's pretty intense here at Tech.
My sweet spot in the company is on-time deliveries and zero defects. It's very imperative that we get them their product on time or a little early if we can. They're out on the rigs and they're expecting to have parts delivered to them so that they can run. If they don't have our product, they can't drill. We know we're shipping quality because we have no escapes. We have had no black marks that have come back to us. Our product is exemplary out in the field.
Every different customer that we have has their own set of procedures and controls that we have to make sure we fall in compliance with. Every part has its own challenge because every part's different. One of my jobs is to make sure that its fit, form, and function is correct, so when it goes out and enters the supply chain, that it doesn't hold up the supply chain. When we're visited by our customers, they're normally very surprised by the lengths that we do go to ensure that our parts are correct and meet what they require.
I see a lot of ideas. I see things on sketches on napkins. I see things that are, wouldn't it be great if? There's a lot of solutions on paper. The real technology strength of Tech USA is to be able to understand the customer's problem and develop a solution that is production-oriented, that is capable of actually functioning and solving that problem in the real world. These very smart people come up with ideas and solutions. That's intellectual capital. And I'm able to identify it, preserve it, protect it, and make it an asset, turn it in from a functional asset to a real asset that benefits not only this company, but also their customers.
We know that our products have accomplished the mission. We have patented technology that gives us that added edge. It's tested, it's engineered, and there is no questioning whether it's going to perform under those circumstances. It will not leave our facility unless we know this. We're all going to win at this game, and we believe we have the solutions that are going to lead the charge.